Okay, here we have a corer made by MEY Equipment, now defunct, painted in Elro green. These are 20 mils here and 25 here, and from there to there they're 150 mils long. This is the Trident lawn mowing Trident. These are 140 from tip to tip, 100 mil centres, and only 11 mils wide. And you'll notice in here we have a nice ramp for ejecting the plugs, whereas the old MEY one didn't. As you can see, we're roughly 100 mils between the tines and 100 mil between each stamp. And even a short peg has gone all the way through the root thatch and into the soil above. You're not going to get any better by punching that in all the way to the hilt. You're better off to go shallow and inject a full tube. As you can see, without the ejection ramp at the end, you don't get such a great core out of the old MEY machine. What I do is I wait a few hours for the cores to dry out, and then I just run the lawn level along, and it's like a free top dress. All finished. Here's some lawn 1 week post verti mowing that I cored and smooshed out using a lawn level rake after drying. Once you're finished, it's important to make sure that you clean off the lawn corer nicely and give it a spray of anti-rust. You'd be surprised, the smallest amount of surface rust will actually stop the plugs being ejected nicely, and you'll be forever getting blocked and have to poke them out with something like a tent peg or something of that ilk. So, quick squirt saves a lot of dramas.